Good morning, biscuits. Welcome back to the channel full of cleaning. This is my weekend quick cleanup, surface spot clean kind of routine where on weekends I like to get my sink scrubbed. I'm not doing my other bathroom right now because it is full of that mold remediation thing where the mold's gone now, but I'm waiting because it's been all ripped apart to fix that. So just my sinks, and I'm gonna get some mopping done because my kitchen floor was perhaps dirtier than I would have thought considering I mopped 2 days ago, but such is the life of cooking lots of stuff from scratch. We're making fresh homemade juice this weekend multiple times, and that always just causes huge messes. No matter what I do, you'd think, I guess I could like put, I don't know, painter's drop cloth down or something, it would be cleaner, but it's always just crazy mess. So come along while I do my quick morning routine, put on some music, have some fun with it. This is one of my goals with this channel, is to help you see that cleaning can be a ton of fun. It doesn't have to be a terrible chore that we put off or that we force ourselves to do, right? It can just be fun little spurts of cleaning. And I'm loving having the new mop. It, I think, scrubs my floors better than my old mop, just because these are different floors than when I bought the previous mop, because I lived elsewhere, and I think that that's really helping. And I love my power scrub brush. It makes an appearance. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna be cleaning with my scrub brushes. Weekend power. Woo woo. Come along. We've cleaned, we've tidied. That makes me feel good. I got some soap scum. Yes, I was gonna say soap scrub, haha. Soap scum off of my bathroom surfaces that was just not coming up, and using that big brush really helped me get it up. Because I've tried all sorts of other ways and I don't want to scrape anything on there and cause issues. I just want to get the gunky buildup off, and this left it so much more sparkling and nice. I still have to do mirrors and windows, but I think I'm gonna go take myself for a little fruit salad. Some yogurt, oh yeah. Hey, thank you so much, Biscuits, for always requesting these weekend cleans. I really appreciate that you love this little community on here and you're so kind and supportive. It makes me really happy, especially the end of this year. I feel like we want to go out with a happy bang, woo, of joyfulness and having our homes be tidy and organized and having our lives be as joyful as they can be after a really crazy year, right? Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Hey, don't forget to go check out that merch I showed you in the video today. Oh yeah, links down in the description box. All of the mugs you could ever want for your extended holiday living. Is it holiday living? Holiday life? I'm just gonna start now and say it's the holidays. I don't care that it's November. It's gonna be the holidays now through like the middle of January, and then I'm gonna call it Valentine's Day season. Boom. That's my plan. Sticking to it. See you in the next video.